A glimpse of the Lower Barrakka Gardens in Valletta in Malta. The harbour in front. I'm at the Lower Barrakka Gardens in Valletta. There in front is the Upper Barrakka Gardens. There in front of me is the Upper Barrakka Gardens, where they have a cannonball firing at 12 o'clock at noon every day. Lower Barrakka Gardens. Very hot sun, akin to being in a desert. I feel I'm either in Dubai or Rajasthan in India. Lower Barrakka Garden. Entire Malta is filled with tourists. I myself am on a guided walking tour of Malta, Valletta. Lower Barrakka Garden in Valletta. This is one of the plushest localities of Valletta. The housing over here is one of the priciest in Valletta city. Notice the color of the buildings, all uniform color, same color.